made a community post. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your own vocal presets, whether you're using Waves plugins, Slate Digital, UAD, stock plugins. Everything's the same. It still applies. It's just different plugins. So I'm gonna walk you through what I do, all right? You know what I'm saying? So basically, I got a beat in here. Every time I make a preset, whatever, I just start from scratch, right? So you just see me on the talk track. So I got the beat in here. So the beat is here on 1. So we're gonna build our chain for 2 right here. So vocal chain. First thing I like to do is just get my plugins. So if it depends on how I feel. Do I want to use Waves plugin or I want to use other ones? I don't know. So boom. Put auto key on this so we can get the key in the scale of the beat or whatever like that. So let it do its thing. That's an auto tune. So what I'm gonna do now, while I'm building out the chain, I'm just getting the plugins together. Then I'm gonna show you what it's like to record with them, right? So everything is on there and it's cool. Now I got my tune. Now what I like to do is to like go through and find these other plugins. So one thing that's simple for a lot of people, we could do CLA vocals, right? So CLA vocals do mono stereo on the vocals right here. So boom, 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 boom. That's something easy to use. To anybody can use it. So with that being said, like we can take that off. I know I'm not gonna put delay on that. I know I don't want no reverb on that. We're gonna use CLA vocals for the bass, treble, and the compress. Now we can put like a 76 on here, right here, just to be on the sort of safe side. So we're gonna add the CLA 76 probably to control like the dynamics, the peaks, like just keep that smooth. Can't go wrong with a de-esser. So it just depends on whatever de-esser you want to use. So we're gonna do a de-esser and we'll adjust the threshold as we go. The vocal chain is so crazy on how we can build it. We pretty much got free range to do what we want to do. So I can go back. Let me swap my mic input real quick. Let's see what this sounding. Now we just gotta tweak the levels and get everything good on the vocal chain. So if I want to add more, bring it up, push that a little bit harder, right? So now we get a bit more of a vocal right there. If we want more of a bite to a little roof on it right there, something like that, we can do like this right here. So now we got like a louder vocal. Then on my interface, I just turn my input up on the interface. And now I'm getting that right there. The compressor is working. Everything is good. My vocal is loud. I'm not clipping on my vocal right there. So that's a good sign right there. I'm not clipping. I'm not doing too much of anything. So now we got the de-esser. So any time I'm doing like S's, see, that's what the de-esser is supposed to catch, is those S's and those T's right there. Now we can just add a reverb. Everybody loves, like, shooter got shooters. My shooter got shooter for it. Shooter got shooter. Yeah, my shooter got shooter for it. My shooter got shooter. Yeah, my shooter got shooter for it. If we want a delay, put the delay on here, we can go crazy, right? So we can do like H delay, like stereo, like, I don't know, like mono stereo. Like mono stereo. So I bring that down. A little bit. So like this depends on you. This is what I like to do. This is me. It's like I'm eating. Yeah. And then bring it back like that. So now I got a little delay in there. Yeah. You ain't really drop nobody. Yeah. Yeah. You ain't really drop nobody. Yeah. Whoa. 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 That one chain is cool. Like, it's cool. We don't really need to add nothing like super crazy. See? Watch this. You ain't really try nobody. Whoa. Yeah. 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 Yeah. Shooter got shooter. Yeah, my shooter got shooter. Yeah. Shooter got shooter. Yeah, my shooter got shooter, son. I want to put an EQ here, but I want to bring the EQ up, like right here. All right, watch this right here. So I can go in, and all I would do is click back over here. All right, play. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Let's run out some that low. Run some out that low end. Yeah. Talk to me, don't talk to feed. Whoa, don't talk to feed. Whoa, don't talk to feed. Whoa, don't talk to feeds. Whoa, yeah, don't talk to feeds. Whoa, I never talk to feeds. I ain't never going fed. No. How you a plug and you begging, nigga? You niggas cap. Can't live with y'all rap. You niggas cap. Can't live with you rap. Capping that nigga. So like, watch it right? So now, let's say we want to do ad-libs, right? Simple fix. So we want telephone effects. So we just go back into the go over here, change this right here into this right here. So now we could do like this. How you a shooter? Ain't trying. Turn it up right there. Now what's it? Yeah. You nigga be capping in your rap. Can't live with y'all rap. Can't live with you rap. You niggas cap. You niggas cap. Can't live with you rap. Can't live with you rap. Just keep in mind, when it comes to building a vocal chain, it is extremely simple. Just find a beat that you like. You can build a vocal chain every single song before you record. It's completely up to you and the plugins that you have. Just put on the beat, load the plugins. If you like auto-tune, put auto-tune. If you don't. Put the plugins in order that you usually use and start tweaking settings and save it. It's just that simple.